keeping it Neil is what I like to say. Hey, welcome everybody. We got some killer barbecue going on. A few buddies from high school that we decided we were gonna do some bragging rights. Oh, I can't show this part. This is a secret money shot right here. Woo! Big deal. Baptist, what do we got, man?
Oh, just last night, just grabbed some of that full slab of spare ribs here. Kind of doing, you know.
Look at them bad boys.
Got some juice to them.
Ooh, those are yummy.
Not too shabby, huh? Almost like a rib burn-in.
That's good. Feeding the masses, enjoying time, right?
Hell yeah.
Sweet.
Getting there?
Yeah.
The tri-tip off?
We went in this today? Yeah. Yeah, we're just waiting for everybody else to show up. We'll get going here at 2 o'clock. Get some stuff going, get some food out on plates and people enjoying it. So, little shot of everybody's setups here. Here we got Cole's, or excuse me, Kevin's. Got some good stuff here with Kevin's.
Oh, okay. Oh, that makes sense.
Nate's here. Some good one. Freaking sweet. Got mine over here in the corner. And then we got the Trigger. The Trigger guys over here.
All by their lonesome.
All by the lonesome. Over here by themselves. It's all good though. They put out some good food. Keeping it real, keeping it Neil is what I like to say. All right. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and announce who won this year. Last 3 years we've had a couple winners. We had Cole win it the first year, Kevin last year, and Mr. Doolan this year. So everybody give him a round of applause.
I'm not a smoker. They were wrapped up, man.
Right?
Which one was his?
Which one was
The best one.
Mine was the third.
The one with all the sauce?
A little bit, yeah.
That's one I had. That was a good
Thanks for coming. This is turning out to be kind of an awesome thing we're going to keep doing every year. So make sure you tell your friends and family because next year it'll be even bigger. So come on out.
And if anybody's interested in cooking,
Yes.
if anybody's interested in throwing their hat in the ring, let us know. We have a Facebook group that we chat in all year. It's just kind of a way for us to talk crap to each other all year. And I'm sure Corey's going to run his mouth for the next 6 months. But we just do this because it's fun.
Corey, where you at? Right here. Oh, who's holding on to that?
There you go, man.
You get to hold it for 6 months.